Hi YouTube. Kind of having a shitty day. I can't figure shit out here. I want to talk about common law and admiralty law. And we've all been tricked into this admiralty law bullshit. When we go to get a driver's license, we apply for a driver's license, we give up our right to travel, basically, to the government. We already had the right when we were born. We're born with that right to move freely about in our private property, which would be our car or truck. And as soon as we go apply for a driver's license, we give our rights to them, and now it's a privilege. So if we don't have a driver's license to begin with, we're better off. So, like I said, my van got stolen by the police, which everybody wants to say it's my fault for not taking care of it. An infraction, it was a $50 infraction that went up to $1,100, which then I could not pay, which then they in turn suspended my driver's license for infraction. Now it's all snowballing into hell because I can't get my van back. How do we get back to our sovereignty? How do we get back to our common law? How do we get the hell out of this admiralty law? Because everybody's been duped into it, and it's a joke. We have rights that God gave us when we were born that they can't take away, and that's the right to travel. As long as we don't injure or cause a loss to anybody or anything, we haven't committed a crime, period. So all this other bullshit that they pin on us, registrations and infractions, and this is all bullshit. People need to wake up. Alright, and what's the use? What is the freaking use to keep on keeping on here when you're just piled with more? It's a tax. They just keep taxing you with bullshit. It's a big freaking mess. What is the point? I don't want to do it anymore, okay? I don't want to. I got my car out there. They're going to pull me over there and take my car away too. If they take my car away, I'm going to just hang it up, man. I don't know, man. I want to fight back. I studied this common law thing, but are they gonna accept that in court? I don't know. I don't know, folks. It's not looking good out there. Because everybody's so tricked into this system that we have. If we just stopped and said no, we tell them all go to hell. We have rights. As human beings, we have rights. We don't have rights as slaves. Okay, we're all slaves. If we're in the system, we're slaves. Period. We say we're free. Give me a break. When you register your vehicle, you've just given the vehicle to the state. You have just given it to them. If you don't register your vehicle and you keep it for yourself, it's your vehicle. But as soon as you go register that vehicle, it belongs to the state. And then if your registration expires, they take your vehicle or whatever. I don't see how that's lawful or legal, because now it's not registered and it's not the state's anymore. I think if the registration expires, it should be back into your hands. There's got to be a way to fix this stuff, you guys. Really, I'm sick of this bullshit. I'm just sick of it. I have not committed a crime. I'm a very good person. I don't steal. I don't cheat. I'm not violent. I'm not a terrorist. These guys are the terrorists doing this shit to us. We need to wake up. We need to take our rights back somehow. I don't know how, but it's hard to do it by yourself. I know that. So any suggestions might help. I want to just go down to the police department and say, I want my van back. It's not your van. You stole my van. I want it back now. It's not your property. It's my property. And I want to tell them that it's not a privilege. It's my right to move about on this land without you harassing me in the process. As long as I don't cause loss or injury, I've done nothing wrong. And then when I want you to pay to get my van out because I'm not going to pay the damn the tow company's going to charge me an arm and a leg too. So I got $1,100 fine and then the tow company, and then I'm going to have to, oh my God, it's on top of, it's terrible. And what the heck? I don't want to be here anymore with this. It's ridiculous. And I know a lot of people are out there losing their houses, not wondering why the hell's going on. Wake up, people. Take back your rights. You have them. They're yours. They're still yours. You just got to stand your ground. Don't be so freaking scared of shit. I'm going to go into the courtroom and I'm going to tell them I'm claiming my common law rights before they even go anywhere with my case. You know, I'm claiming them. I don't care. I'm not afraid. Got to do it. I have to. I have no choice. Because they push me too far. They push me way too far. It's a joke, man. Just a freaking joke. This is hard with this big ass brush. Anyway, that's what I kind of wanted to talk about. I'm just beside myself with the whole. You know how good our life could have been without all this bullshit going on. You know, if everybody would just go by the common law. But no, there's too many freaking parasites out there that want to fool you and trick you into this and that. And how the hell did we fall for it? I don't understand. I mean, it was already done before I was born. We were already through. And I was told I need a license. You know, as you're growing up, you need a license. Well, no, you don't. You have the right to travel. God gave you the right to travel. As long as you don't cause loss or injury to anybody, you didn't hurt anybody, you're good to go. What the hell? I don't know, man. I'm looking to see somebody, you know, stand their ground. Also, it's just kind of hard to do by yourself. I want to do it. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do it. I'm thinking about going down there today and saying I want my van back now. Give me my van back. You stole my van. How am I supposed to go to work? I've got a 200-300 pound airless. I can't put that in my Mustang. Okay. I got to go. I got a good job to go do, but I can't even get there. And then if I do get the job, don't I get all the work I just did? I got to give them the money for it. Fuck that. Fuck that. I'm done with this shit, okay? I'm done with their stupid system, okay? I'm done with it. Done. I'm done with the chemtrails. I'm done with the fluoride in the water. I'm done with the lies. I'm done with the bullshit. I'm just done. I'm sick of YouTube. I'm sick of the truth. I'm just done. I already know it all. And it's sublime knowing it, you know. It's like, how can people be so stupid? But you know, we were ignorant to begin with. But I mean, how did we get there to begin with? I mean, didn't they know that they were going to get this taken away and that taken away? I mean, come on, people, wake up! What the hell's going on here? I put a little black widow on the bottom of these planes, little spyglass. I like that. Anyway, I'm at a crossroads. I'm not sure if maybe I should just go sell my car and forget about driving again, or fight it out. I don't know, man. I'm done. I'm pretty much pissed off at it all, and I don't want to deal with it anymore. I just know it's not right, and I know you know it's not right what they're doing to us, and it's time we do something about it. And it's got to be a peaceful resistance. It's got to be, you know, hey, you know, we just got to know our rights. We got to know how to word it. They use words that don't mean what we think they mean. Like understand. When they said understand, that means the judge says you understand me. That means you're below him. If you say you understand him, okay, it's crazy. If you walk in a courtroom and you go and sit down, and you wait for the judge to come out, and they say all rise. If you don't stand up, you're not giving him authority over you. Think about it. Who is he to have any authority over you? You give him the authority, and that's why we give our rights away, because, oh, he's the judge. No, bullshit. He's a man just like I'm a man. We're all created equal. We don't have to give our rights away, okay? People, wake up. It's time we stand our ground. I'm getting pissed off at this whole thing. It's a big joke, okay? We have a right to liberty, happiness. This is bullshit. Everybody struggles and struggles and struggles and wonders, what the hell was that all about? Come on, man, wake up. Good news today, they're not spraying, so I'll have to go put my signs up. So it gives me a few minutes to trick them out a little bit more. Anyway, that's where I'm at, and I just wanted to talk about that and see what you guys had to think. You know, there's got to be a way to remedy all this bullshit going on here. I want my van back. I want my life back. You know, I want these criminals prosecuted for what they're doing to us. And it has to happen. But see, the tyranny's coming because they know they've done so much bad to us, and they're just putting the clamps down to us now, big time, big time. Blah blah. I could ramble on for days, but you know, if everybody got the message I just gave, I think they maybe, you know, would have a chance. But how many views are you gonna get on YouTube? 100. Ain't gonna go very far. So we have to get our signs out on the streets, because people, you know, on the street don't watch YouTube. So we need to get out to people that aren't affected by any of this computer or internet. Because a lot of people don't even go on the internet, man. They don't know what the hell's going on here. They're really stuck on stupid. You know, and I don't care. I'm not afraid of anything. I'm not afraid to die. I'm not afraid of the police. I'm not afraid of the New World Order. Bring it on, brother. Bring it. We gotta do something, people. We gotta do something. This is just ridiculous. Tell me what you think.